Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. On today's tutorial we're going to be doing the letter H. If you're new here, if it's your first time here, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this content with friends and loved ones, and hope you learn something by the end of this video. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So for the letter H, we're going to require the following materials. We're going to require a fish, that's a Nailcutter, cutting the fishing line. We're going to use 0.30 millimeters fishing line, and also beads. We're going to use white beads and red beads. Our beads come in strings, and they are quite perfect. All the sizes are the same, so that's why we like them. So let's go into making the artwork. Those are the beads we're going to be using today for the letter H. You cut your fishing line to approximately 8 or 10 inches, depending on what you'll be making for the day. Then you pick white beads on the right. We've picked 3 white beads on the right and 1 white bead on the left, and then we do something we call crisscrossing. You pass the fishing line through the white bead from the left like that. I hope you can see that demonstration. That's quite clear, you can see it. So that's what we call crisscrossing. Then you pull your fishing line, you make sure that they're balanced on both ends like that, and then you pull that one bead all the way to the bottom and where it meets the other 3 white beads to form a star that has got 4 beads like this. Please make sure that you have something that looks like this when you're beginning. And then we proceed. We pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, another white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right like that. And always make sure that your fishing line is balanced like that. You pull your artwork like this. So I hope we are together on this point. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, another white bead on the right, and then you crisscross another white bead from the right like that. Remember, we're making the letter H. Pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then another white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. For those of us who are new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and if you're finding it hard to follow, you can also go back to our playlist. We have a numerous number of videos on different tutorials where you can also watch and learn slowly as you continue progressing. Remember, you won't get this, it's not easy for you to get this right on the first go, so don't lose hope. You should try again and again until you get it right. Also, kids nowadays are doing this. I have a lot of kid friends who are doing beadwork, so you can also recommend this to your child, your niece, your friend's child, so that they can learn this skill from when they are young. It's a very nice skill to learn, especially when you're young, so that you can have fun, learn the African culture, because these were worn by different communities in the African society, like the Maasais. They still do wear them until today. So it's good to pass this heritage down to the next generation. And what better way than recommending these videos so that they can come and learn something new that they can pass down to the next generation and the next generation. And as Africans and also as artists, we can have something uh, to show the world that we inherited from our ancestors. So don't forget to show this to any person, any kid, anyone that loves art. They will definitely have an interest here. We're making the letter H. This is the process that we take when we have a name to write on a bracelet. So I hope you're following. Kindly remember that if you get it wrong first time, you shouldn't give up. Try again. Go watch another video. We have numerous numbers of videos on our playlist on our channel. Kindly go on our channel, watch those videos so that you can practice, and practice makes perfect, so that you can be able to learn this. As you can see, the first letter is coming, but we're making the letter H, sorry. So we are at the bottom. We've picked 2 white beads on the right, one red bead on the left. Crisscross like that. Pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the right, and crisscross like that. You pick a white bead from the pick a red bead, that's the bridge between the letter H, that red. Then we pick a red bead from the left, we crisscross on the red bead from the left. On the comments, kindly let us know what you'd love to see next. Thanks for all the comments and suggestions that you've been giving us. So far so good. They give us so much strength. It blesses our souls and hearts to know that our work, our tutorials are actually doing an impact to you. So let us know in the comment section if these tutorials are helping you out. Let us know what you would love to see next on our channel, and also you can tag your friends, let them come see our videos. And one thing that we have noticed on our analytics is 80% of our loyal viewers haven't subscribed. That could be you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That helps grow the community that we have here, and when we grow to a bigger number, we can be able to do much more bigger things. And thanks for all of you who have supported this channel until now. Currently we are at around 550 subscribers. We're thankful for that, and thankful for the constant support. As you can see, we're proceeding, making the letter H. This pattern is basically the same pattern that we're repeating over and over again. There's nothing much new that we're learning other than how to change the colors. So you need to be keen on that, how the colors change, so that you can be able to form that pattern, letter H. You crisscross on the white bead. This letter that you're making is a suggestion by one of our subscribers suggested that we make the letter H. So if you are having trouble making any letter or any beadwork that you've seen us do, maybe you'd love to learn how to do that pattern in a different way, kindly let us know in the comment section below, and your wish is our command. We will try our level best to fulfill what you want us to make for you. As you can see, we are making one fulfillment for someone for making the letter H, and these letters can help you make the bracelet with a name. You crisscross again like that. Just make sure that you're keen, make sure that you don't give up, because you might try and get it wrong, but you shouldn't give up. You should try again and again until you get it right. Crisscross like that. You pass the fishing line through the white bead like that, and then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left, and then you pull your fishing line. Make sure that it's tight, make sure that it's balanced. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. You pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Also, kindly stay tuned to this channel. There's a lot more tutorials coming your way. We are yet to make tutorials on making key holders, beaded rings like the one you see here, and much more content is coming your way. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so that every time we upload something, you'll be first to know, and you can also be first to watch as it premieres. So, and we are also very grateful and thankful for the channel, for the subscribers that we have. Your comments and suggestions are what keep us going. They're what keep us making new videos each day. So keep the messages coming, keep the comments coming. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, where we have more products that we've been producing at stike_arts and landscaping. Stike Arts and Landscaping, that is STIKE_arts and landscaping. Check us out on our Instagram page. You can DM us there, tell us what you'd love to see, and you can check out our work. Also make your orders there, because we also produce for orders. And as you can see, our letter H is almost done, and it's also such a great feeling having to make something from scratch, from 2 beads or 1 bead to now a letter that anyone can see. And the beauty of these letters or this artwork is you can wear it even for more than 5. We have had people who've worn their bracelets for more than 5, 6 or 7 years, and the bracelets are still in good shape. So this is something that lasts for a very long time. As you can see, it's handmade. It's something that has taken time to build, so it doesn't spoil. It won't spoil anytime soon. That's a guarantee you have there. And the fishing line is very tough. And there we have it. The letter H is finally done. As you can see, it's very beautiful, it's very bold, and that's how we make our letters. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.